Foods, where does it comes from? Class 6 Notes Science Chapter 1. This is part 3 video. Food from animals. Animal products like meat, egg, honey, milk, cheese, butter and curd are eaten by human beings. The milk of animals like goats, chicken, fish, prawn are commonly eaten. Hen egg is the most common bird egg eaten in the world. It is rich source of proteins and vitamins. Some people also eat eggs of goose and duck. Honey. Honey is a sweet liquid made by bees from the nectar of flowers. Honey is collected from beehives. It used in cooking also has medicinal value. Milk. Milk is obtained from animals like cow, buffalo and goat. Honey. It is very nutritious food item and is a rich source of proteins. Products made from milk are known as dairy products. Some common dairy products are discussed below. Paneer, cottage cheese. Common methods of making paneer included adding lemon juice or vinegar to milk. Then the liquid portion of milk is drained off and the solid part from paneer. This process is called curdling. Cheese. Cheese is made from curdled milk of cow, goat, sheep or buffalo. Cream is made by collecting the top fatty layer of the milk. Butter is made by churning fresh cream. Ghee. Ghee is made by gently heating butter and removing the solid matter. Curd. Common method of making curd include adding a small sample of curd in warm milk. The microorganism bacteria present in the curd sample turn the milk into curd. Unlike green plants, animals cannot make their own food. They depend on plants and other animals for food. People living in desert also drink camel's milk. In ice cold places, animals mostly have yak's milk. Microorganisms, tiny organisms that can be seen only with the help of a microscope. Thank you for watching video.